A lot of people have been asking me what they can do to improve their computer's performance. So today I'm going to talk to you about how you can upgrade your RAM in Windows. This will work on any Windows machine, and the best part, it's absolutely free. Also, it won't even take a few minutes. So let's go to the computer and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so here we are at the computer, and I decided to record this right off the screen to show that there's no editing going on and that this is the real deal. So let's start off just by showing my general computer information. Specifically, here's the current installed memory right now, and this is what we're going to upgrade. Right now it says 8 gigabytes, and I want to add 4 more, just as an example. So let's do that. The first thing you have to do is you have to open up Command Prompt. Now you can do this in Windows 7 and Windows Vista by going to the search bar and just typing in CMD. Or you can, I'm not sure how to do it on, I forget how to do it on XP. I believe you go to Accessories. Now you have to make sure that you run this as an administrator. Otherwise,